My business was hurting because I couldn't answer the phone enough. But I got other stuff to do. I got crews to talk to and people to meet. My name's Dan Metzger, and I'm the owner of Nature's Designers Landscape Contractors located in Wisconsin. Before Upfirst, I was answering it fully, and then my wife is my office manager. She came on board, and then she was doing it. But actually, because of the cost of health insurance, she went back to work. So then I was doing it, and I can't do all that. So I looked into AI reception. The biggest thing I needed was for somebody to be able to transfer calls to my maintenance department or my construction division. The other thing I like is you guys actually offered a free trial, and it wasn't a free trial with only 5 of the features or 2 of the features. It was a free trial that you could use and really get your stuff laid out. This one fit my business size the best for a bunch of reasons. The way you can organize the questions, the way you can insert your knowledge. It helps me to screen my calls for my landscape maintenance.
Of course. Are you calling about ongoing maintenance services like lawn care or cleanups? Or is this about a new landscape design or construction project?
So if somebody wants just to mow and we don't do just mowing, then she'll tell them that. And she'll transfer the calls as needed and she'll get the correct information. And then that helps me with all my sales pipeline. So yeah, it does everything I need when I'm gone. And any important calls get transferred to me right away. I don't worry about anything till my phone rings. Yeah, life is less stressful. I can set my phone to the side, I keep it charged, it gets transferred. The people that need to take the calls that need to take the call, get them without bothering me. It's probably taken 50% of the phone calls off my plate. It's a fantastic product. I'm like tickled pink with it. I don't worry about any of it anymore. So yeah, it's perfect.